Hello, I'm Aki. Welcome to Shibuya. This looks overwhelming, but crossing here is easier than you think. This is Shibuya Scramble Crossing, the most famous pedestrian crossing in Japan. Every few minutes, traffic stops completely, and people cross from all directions at once. At peak times, over 3,000 people cross in a single signal. Yet it feels calm, organized, and safe. That's no accident. The first version of this crossing appeared in the late 1960s, as Shibuya grew into one of Tokyo's busiest districts. Over time, the design evolved to move people efficiently, not quickly, but smoothly. If you're crossing here for the first time, here are a few tips. Tip 1: Follow the flow. Don't rush. Just walk with the crowd. Everyone moves in the same direction. Tip 2: Look up, not down. Most people aren't staring at their phones. Make eye contact and stay aware of others. Tip 3: Pick a clear path. Choose a direction and keep going. Sudden stops confuse people behind you. Tip 4: Take photos later. Cross first. Stop and take photos once you're safely across. For many visitors, this crossing feels intense at first. But once you step in, it's surprisingly comfortable. This isn't just about crossing a street. It's about sharing space with thousands of strangers, smoothly. That's Tokyo. Would you try crossing here yourself? It looks chaotic at first, but once you step in, it all makes sense. If you're visiting Tokyo, this moment is waiting for you, right in the middle of the city. Subscribe to this channel for tips, places, and small cultural details that help you enjoy Japan with confidence, before you even step on the plane.